Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a creepy doll sort of look. So if you'd like to see me go from this to this, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm taking my Morphe eyelid primer and putting that all over my eyes.
Perfect.
Then next we are gonna be gluing down our eyebrows because we're gonna be creating new eyebrows. So I'm just taking your regular Elmer's glue stick. It will dry clear. And I'm taking a Morphe setting powder. You can use any kind of setting powder. I would just suggest that it be translucent like this one is. Make sure that you cover the glue that you just did, and you can repeat this process as many times as you'd like. And make sure that the powder is pretty thick. Alright, so now we're gonna start doing the eyelid colors. I am taking the shade Orchid, and this is from the Stacey Marie and Be Perfect Cosmetics in the Carnival XL Pro palette. And again, you can take whatever shade that you want, but I thought that pink would be a good look for a creepy doll. And then I'm just taking another pink shade, putting that on my lid again. And then I'm taking a white eyeliner pencil. This one in particular is from NYX, and I'm putting this in my waterline. And then we're also going to be creating our new eye with this pencil. So start to draw down past your waterline, creating a new eye shape. And then just fill it in. And do the same thing to the other eye. Now I am taking a face primer and I'm going to start to do my face. This one in particular is from e.l.f. and it is the Acai Berry Primer. Then I'm taking my foundation. I'm using the Balm Cosmetics, and this is the Even Steven Whipped foundation, and I am just putting that all over my face, trying to avoid my eyes and then the white eyeliner that I just did. Then I'm dipping into my CC Beauty Grease Paint palette, and I'm taking a pink shade, and then I'm outlining the top of my eyes, covering my eyebrows. And now we're creating a new eyelid space. Looking spooky. Now I'm just taking a blush and this one is from my Kylie Cosmetics. I believe this is the shade Baddie, or Baddie on the Block. And you're gonna try to make the blush more circular. Then I'm taking like a light bronzer and I'm carving out my nose a little bit. And I'm creating more shadows towards the crease of my nose to make it look that my nose is a little bit more set back in my face like a doll. And then I'm taking the same bronzer in a darker shade, and then I'm creating cheeks. Smiling helps because you want to line right under the more fatty part of your cheek. Then I'm taking some false lashes from Unicorn Cosmetics, going back into my grease palette, taking the black, and I am outlining the eye that we created earlier. Now you have to be careful with grease paint. You can also do it with water activated face paint. So I recommend, if you are using grease paint, to make sure that you put a colored eyeshadow over top, because the powder will help set the grease. So in this instance, a black eyeshadow would work really well over top. Next, I'm taking a black liquid eyeliner and I am lining my top lashes, trying to create a thicker band because we are trying to make this look more doll-like. So I'm going a little bit above where the band is of the false eyelash. I'm creating eyelashes. Now you can make this look however you'd like. I found that the more messy I got, the more realistic it looked, because you don't want it to be perfect. And now we are creating our eyebrows, and I'm dipping into my grease paint palette again, and I'm using the brown shade. Again, you can use eyeliner, you can use water activated face paint, you can use a liquid liner, whatever works best for you. I'm just kind of going back and adding a little bit more detail to make the ends of my eyebrows look a little darker, and I'm underlining the bottom of the eyebrow. And you can do this again however you want. And now we are drawing on the mouth. And I'm just taking a ColourPop Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. And again, you can use whatever you want. I'm making these lines a little bit more thick, but it's totally up to you, whatever preference you want, if you want thinner lines or thicker lines. And then I'm adding a little bit of a highlight to the center of my chin. So I'm taking concealer and kind of just patting it around. And then I'm taking a highlight and patting on top of the concealer. Finally is lipstick. I'm taking a pink, and I believe this is the shade Romeo from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I'm not doing my full lips, I'm making new ones and I'm creating them smaller. I'm making the top lips smaller and the bottom lips bigger. And then I'm creating like a shadow effect and I'm lining the bottom. And doing a thin liner up on the top to give it more of a realistic effect. Creepy, it's coming together. And now I'm going to show you how I put my hair into a wig cap. So I put my hair in a ponytail, I split it into 2 parts, and then I take them up on top of my head and pin them with bobby pins so it lays flat. Then I stretch the wig cap, get it all nicely situated, and then I put the wig on. And this is the finished look of the creepy doll. It looks so crazy. Thank you so much for watching. I actually tried to recreate this look from Nicole Concilio, and I wanted to kind of remake mine in my own way, so this is where I got the inspiration from. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.